How to fix can't hear calls unless speakerphone is on Android. First, restart your Android device, as this can resolve temporary software glitches. Then, if the issue persists, check if your phone's earpiece speaker is blocked by dust or a screen protector. Next, open the Settings app and go to Apps, and then find and tap on Phone or your default calling app. After that, tap on Storage and select Clear Cache. Furthermore, this removes temporary files that might be causing audio issues. Now, go back to Settings and tap on Sounds and Vibration. Then, check if all volume levels are turned up, especially the call volume. And then, test your earpiece by playing media through it. After that, if the problem continues, check for software updates by going to Settings, then Software Update. Your call audio should now work properly without needing speakerphone. Furthermore, if the issue still persists, it might be a hardware problem with the earpiece speaker, and you may need to contact Service Center support. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.